Hello everyone, my name is Ronak Darji and today I am here at Catch25 Science Academy. I got 95.87 percentile in Maharashtra CET examination and Catch25 Science Academy helped me a lot to get into Sanghvi College of Engineering. One of the main reasons of my journey so special here is because of teachers. They are not only knowledgeable but they are very kind, supportive and helping. The staff here are very cooperative not only in just studies but also in organizing several activities. I have saw a major change in my academics after joining Catch25 Science Academy. What I appreciate the most is that teacher treat the student with respect and care. I truly feel grateful to be a part of Catch25 Science Academy as it has amazing teachers like Pawan sir and Vinita ma'am who have helped me a lot. A tip I would share to my juniors is you guys have to be consistent in revision and give regular mock tests. Thank you.